Hello everyone and welcome to the Car Crash Test channel where we dive into the latest safety results from Euro NCAP crash tests. Today, we're diving deep into the crash test performance of two premium compact SUVs, the 2024 BMW X2 and the 2024 Audi Q3, both assessed by Euro NCAP. These vehicles are among the most popular choices for those seeking luxury, safety, and style in the compact SUV segment. But how do they fare when put to the ultimate test? Let's find out. Starting with the 2024 BMW X2, Euro NCAP's crash test results were quite impressive overall. In the frontal offset test, the passenger compartment remained stable, which is a good sign of structural integrity. Protection for the driver and passenger's knees and femurs was rated well, though there were concerns about some dashboard structures potentially posing a risk to occupants of varying sizes. However, the driver's chest protection was only rated as marginal, which leaves some room for improvement. The X2 performed strongly in the side impact tests, including the more severe side pole impact, where it earned maximum points for protecting all critical body areas. This shows BMW's commitment to side impact safety. Additionally, its rear seat protection against whiplash in a rear-end collision was rated as good, thanks to a robust design and advanced safety systems. One standout feature in the X2 is the eCall system, which automatically alerts emergency services in the event of an accident, and the vehicle's capability to apply brakes after an impact to prevent secondary collisions. This combination of features emphasizes the X2's focus on post-collision safety as well. Now let's move on to the 2024 Audi Q3. Like the X2, the Q3's passenger compartment remained stable in the frontal offset test, with good protection for the knees and femurs of both the driver and passenger. Audi also demonstrated that the same level of protection would be afforded to occupants of different sizes, highlighting its versatility. In the full-width rigid barrier test, protection for the driver and rear passenger's chest was rated as adequate, while all other critical body areas received good ratings. When it came to side impact tests, including the side pole test, the Audi Q3 also scored maximum points, similar to the X2, indicating a high level of safety. A noteworthy point for the Q3 is its standard autonomous emergency braking (AEB) system, which performed exceptionally well in preventing or mitigating collisions at low speeds, where many whiplash injuries occur. This feature is a key differentiator, especially for those driving in urban environments. So where do we stand? Both the BMW X2 and the Audi Q3 are strong performers when it comes to crash safety, but they each have their areas of strength. The BMW X2 excels in side impact protection and post-collision safety systems, while the Audi Q3 stands out with its standard AEB system and strong frontal crash results. At the end of the day, it boils down to what matters most to you, whether it's BMW's advanced post-collision systems or Audi's focus on front-end safety and AEB technology. Let us know in the comments which one you think performed better in these crash tests. And also, tell us which vehicles you'd like to see us compare next in future crash tests.